beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Well, life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. Well, it's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. Steady, question what we really have to give. Stay where it's safer, clean faith but waver. Is this how we really meant to live? We pray but never more, we say but never do. It's time to get our hands dirty. Oh, 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 oh. The love is a whole lot hurting. Oh, 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 oh. Come on. Change we know, we can be the young, so don't let go. We can be a light in the dark. We are where it starts. It's time. Calling our hearts, calling our hands, calling our feet to take a stand. Not sitting around and waiting for a miracle to come. It's time to get our hands dirty.